Have you ever considered growing dandelions indoors? Just imagine a pot of sunny yellow blooms brightening up your living space, bringing with them a touch of the outdoors. And it's not just about their aesthetic appeal. These humble plants are also known for their delicious, nutrient-rich greens, readily available for your culinary exploits regardless of the season. Now, let's dive into the process of growing these wonderful plants indoors. The first step in cultivating dandelions indoors is preparing the right environment. Start by selecting a container with good drainage to protect your dandelions from waterlogging. Remember, dandelions have a long taproot, so opt for a deep container. Next, prepare the soil. A well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter is ideal. To improve drainage, you can add a bit of sand or perlite. Fill your container with this mixture, leaving a few inches of space at the top for watering. Now it's time to plant your dandelion seeds. Scatter them evenly over the soil and press them in lightly, then give them a gentle watering, just enough to moisten the soil. Lastly, find a sunny spot for your container. Dandelions thrive with 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. If natural light is scarce, a grow light can be a great help. With the seeds planted and your container placed in a sunny spot, you're well on your way to growing dandelions indoors. Now let's talk about how to care for them. Dandelions thrive in moderate temperatures between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and they appreciate a touch of humidity, so keep your indoor environment comfortable and not too dry. Watering your dandelions is a delicate balancing act. You want the soil to be consistently moist, but never waterlogged. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Fertilization is quite straightforward. Dandelions aren't heavy feeders, so a half-strength balanced liquid fertilizer once a month during the growing season should suffice. As your dandelions grow, you may need to thin them out to avoid overcrowding. Those leaves you remove? They're edible and quite tasty. Last but not least, keep an eye out for pests like aphids or whiteflies. Insecticidal soap or neem oil can help keep them at bay. With these care tips, you should be well equipped to grow healthy, thriving dandelions indoors. By following these steps and providing the right growing conditions, you can successfully grow dandelions indoors and enjoy their fresh greens or vibrant foliage throughout the year. Share your thoughts on today's video. Join our community for more interesting topics. Thanks for watching.